So some people just attach the baseboard with a nailer, just like that, and hope for the best. But is that the best way to do this? So I think it's time that we stop scooting around the issue and see which one really works better. Okay, now let's try the nailer. Okay, so looking at the general fit, this is the baseboard with the screws in, and there's a tiny gap there, and it's not very consistent, and that is often down to the quality of the wall. If we go ahead and have a look over here, we'll see that the nailer has actually produced a better result, but that is probably just because the wall is straighter. Okay, so let's see which one is stronger. Right, so I'm just using a flat scraper. You know, I don't want to really use a sort of demolition tool of any sort. And I mean, that's not really coming off, although you can get this in behind the baseboard, but as I said, that's more an indication of the quality of the wall than anything else. Let's go and try the nailed section. Okay, let's have a look and see if we can get the same results. Okay, so that pulls away relatively easily. In fact, you can see that baseboard pulling away really quickly. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to solve a whole bunch of these things. But for now, I'm going to just say that screws are a lot stronger. That much is obvious. However, nailing is much quicker. But we'll cover all that in the next video. Hope to see you there.